In 2.2 exercise, the last problem is the diagonals of a quadrilateral intersect each other at O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Now, if you have a quadrilateral, A, B, C, D, and the diagonals BD and AC intersect at O, it seems to be a trapezium, but it is not a trapezium. Let's take this is a quadrilateral, and AC and BD are the diagonals are intersecting at O such that AO by BO, they have given AO by BO, CO by DO. These diagonals are intersecting like that. So the ratios is same, AO by BO and CO by DO, like that they are intersecting. Now we need to prove that this ABCD quadrilateral is a trapezium. To prove this quadrilateral is a trapezium, we need to prove one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Suppose here I am taking AB is parallel to CD. If we prove AB is parallel to CD, then it will be a trapezium. Let's see how to. So here they have given that data. What they have given here, diagonals are intersecting at O, and they are intersecting in the ratio AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Here that is they have given. So in ABCD quadrilateral, simply I am writing shortcut, quadrilateral diagonals intersect at O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Like that they are intersecting. Now we need to prove that what is required to prove here, ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Instead of proving ABCD is a trapezium, we need to prove that AB is parallel to CD. If we prove AB is parallel to CD, then it would become a trapezium. Now construction. So just here I am drawing a line which is passing through O. A line which is passes through O and parallel to AB. And parallel to side AB, only parallel to AB. Let's take this line is a EO line. EO is a line which is passes through O and parallel to AB. Draw a line. EO passes through O and parallel to AB. Now we will prove it. See from figure, everything we will take from figure. Just observe that in this quadrilateral I am observing this triangle. I am observing DAB triangle. I am observing DAB triangle. In this DAB triangle, EO is parallel to AB. That EO is parallel to AB, that is constructed. We constructed that. So we know that according to the Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem, in one triangle, if one line is parallel to the third side, it divides other two sides in the same ratio. That means this part by and this part by this part ratio would be same. So that you observe from the figure, in triangle DAB, EO is parallel to AB. That is since construction you can write that. Now you can observe that if this line is parallel to the third side by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. The ratio would be same. AE, this part, AE by ED is equal to BO by OD. BO by DO or OD. This is equation number 1. And from data we can observe that they have given, in data if they given, from data what they have given, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. They have given that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO is given in the data. From this I am doing cross multiplication here. AO into DO is equal to BO into CO. Observe here equation number 1, we have here BO by DO. So similarly here I am finding BO by, take this DO here, BO by DO, and what here left, AO by CO. Let's take this is equation number 2. So here you can observe that equation 1 and 2, here both RHS are same. BO by DO and BO by DO we have same, so that LHS must be equal. If RHS are equal, LHS must be equal. From 1 and 2, AE by ED is equal to AO by CO. And you can observe this triangle, you can observe here one more triangle, ADC or ACD in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD you can observe that AE by ED, AO by OC. AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. This we have proved here. Let this is equation number 3. This is proved. Proved in 3. We proved this ratio is same. AE by ED is equal to AO by CO. We have proved, and that we can observe in this triangle ADC. You can observe. And according to converse of BPT, if a line divides other two sides in the same ratio, in this triangle you can observe that this ratio would be same. That means if the ratio is same, then this line is parallel to the third side. That means according to the converse of basic proportionality theorem, here EO will become parallel to CD. And from construction we have here EO is parallel to AB. And you can observe that according to, in 9th class we have discussed the things which are different things which are equal to the parallel to the same thing, and these two are also parallel. That means EO is parallel to CD and EO is parallel to AB. That means EO is parallel to AB is parallel to CD. All the three lines. If EO is parallel to CD and also EO is parallel to AB, all the three lines are parallel to one and each other. That means EO is parallel to AB is parallel to CD. That means AB is parallel to CD. That means AB is parallel to CD. Here we have proved that AB is parallel to CD. And if AB is parallel to CD, then ABCD is a trapezium. Then we can conclude that ABCD is a trapezium. Hence, it is proved. One more time I am explaining briefly. Here, diagonals of a quadrilateral intersect at O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Then ABCD is a trapezium. We need to prove that. Take ABCD is a trapezium. Diagonals are bisect at O. That we have written in that data. Now we need to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Instead of that, Just if you prove AB is parallel to CD is enough. Construction. Here I am drawing a line EO which is passes through O and it is parallel to AB. From the figure you can observe that in this DAB triangle you can observe that here EO is parallel to AB, that is construction. If EO is parallel to AB, according to the basic proportionality theorem, the ratio would be same, AE by ED and BO by OD. And from data we have here AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, that we can convert as AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. And from equation 1 and 2 we can observe that RHS are equal, so that LHS must be equal. That this ratio we can observe that observe in the triangle ADC triangle. If the ratio is same, this line is parallel to the third side. So EO is parallel to CD and we have in construction EO is parallel to AB. This is we proved here, and EO is parallel to AB given in construction. So if this line is parallel to two different lines, all the three lines are parallel to one and each other, so that AB is parallel to CD, so that ABCD is a trapezium.